Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I need to put about s equals to 1 over the square root of number 2 tan t, because if I put this one go in here, you got about 1 over 2 tan t square, number 2 and number 2. We simplify tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify by ds. ds you got about 1 over the square root of number 2 secant of t square dt, because we just do first the derivative of tan t and you got about secant of t square. So I need to put this one go in here and here. ds we change by this one. This one we have 1 over 2 tan t square. This one we have 1 over 2 tan t square. So we know that number 2 and number 2 we cancel. 1 plus tan t square, we change secant of t square. Secant of t square, secant of t square, we simplify. Number 2 and the square root of number 2 we can put outside in here. So we just have only tan t square in here. We know that tan t square, that's about secant of t square minus 1. This is about trigonometric identity. The integration of secant of t square, we have tan t. Number 1, that's about t. And then we put about c in here. About t, that is about this one. So we need to multiply both sides by the square root of number 2. And then we got about t equals to arctan of this one. So we put this one to change for t. So we know that tan with arctan, you got about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.